everyone, welcome to FameWord Educational Hub. I am Aishwarya Saxena and in the series of Software Developer Job Interview Question Answer, this is the part 5. I have already uploaded 4 different parts containing very important questions on this and I hope you have already watched it. If you have not gone through them, you can just check the description and you will be getting the link of the playlist. You can just check out all those videos. So let's start with this part. Question number 41. How do you optimize front-end performance? Minimize HTTP requests, use lazy loading, optimize images, enable caching. Operating system and networking. Question number 42. What is the difference between a process and a thread? We will be comparing 3 different features: memory, communication and context switch. When we talk about process, so memory is separate, in thread it is shared. When we talk about communication, in process it is IPC, whereas in thread it is fast. When we talk about context switch, process is slow and thread is fast. Question number 43. What is the difference between TCP and UDP? We will be comparing this on 3 different features: reliability, speed and use case. So reliability in TCP is reliable, whereas UDP is unreliable. When we talk about speed, in TCP it is slower, whereas in UDP it is faster. When we talk about the use case, in TCP it is like web browsing is the use case and in UDP video streaming. Question number 44. How do you handle tight deadlines in a project? Prioritize tasks, break work into smaller milestones, communicate proactively. Question number 45. How do you deal with conflicting team opinions on a technical solution? You can say that listen to all perspectives, present data-driven arguments, and seek a compromise. System design questions. Question number 46. How would you design a URL shortener like bit.iy? Use base62 encoding for short URLs. Store mapping in a NoSQL database like Redis. Implement caching for fast lookups. Question number 47. How do you scale a database heavy applications? Read replicas. Scale read heavily workloads. Sharding. Distribute data across multiple databases. Caching. Reduce database calls. Advanced coding concepts. Question number 48. What is memorization in programming? Memorization stores the results of extensive functions called to optimize performance. Example is as follows. Question number 49. What is tail recursion? A recursive function where the recursive call is the last operation. Example is as follows. Question number 50. How would you reverse a linked list? We can follow the iterative approach and example is as follows. I hope you have enjoyed this series and you have watched all videos of this series. Stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe, share it with your friends for the better learning experience and see you in some other video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and put your queries in the comment section below so I can help you out.